I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start now. Confirm you have a backup and a Windows 10 USB recovery drive. You need these to avoid data loss. Make sure external storage is connected. Restart into recovery from Settings Update and Security Recovery, or power on and boot from the USB by pressing F12, ESC, or the vendor key. Once in the Windows recovery environment, choose Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. This puts you where Repair Tools live, so you can run targeted fixes without guessing. Once in Advanced Options, start with Startup Repair. It automatically checks boot configuration and critical files. If issues persist, open Command Prompt and run chkdsk on the system drive to fix disk errors, then sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. Follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to rebuild the Windows component store. If those fail, use System Restore or a previously created system. If repairs don't resolve the problem, choose Reset this PC. You can keep your files or remove everything. Read the prompts carefully and proceed. When reset fails or you want a fresh start, boot from the Windows 10 USB and perform a clean install. Format the system partition, then install Windows. Finally, if things go wrong, disconnect non-essential peripherals, verify BIOS/UEFI boot order, and retry. Hardware or wrong boot devices often block recovery, so one last check usually fixes stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.